your Indian consumer.
Hey consumers, it's me Prasad Pathak, your Indian consumer, back with another video. So last week in my FAQs video, the top 5 FAQs video which I had done, you have not seen it, it'll be in the I button, you'll get it there. So yeah, in that video I told this week I'm going to do a question and answers video. So all those questions on that video which got the maximum number of likes and those comments which are really interesting, I've picked few of them and today I'm going to answer all those questions. So let's begin. Here's the first question. Now you will think, why did I select a question which just has 2 likes? Because the question is important. So Absolute Amy has said, sir, I've personally seen not just in your YouTube channel but in many channels that if any girl is commenting, boys are targeting or talking in a very abusive manner. Sir, you must have noticed, right? Yes, of course I have noticed. I want to know, what do you do to such people? Do you ban them from your YouTube channel or give them a warning? I want that all your subscribers should know what are your views on this. And this is rapidly growing. Absolutely, it is growing because kya bolu, the people today, the kids, the boys, especially boys, because boys are involved in like all this kind of dirty eve teasing. I won't say eve teasing, but bullying. Yeah, that will be the right word. What I personally do is I keep a watch on all such comments, all those people. You won't believe, but actually there are around 100 to 150 people who I have already banned, who are blocked from my channel. Yeah, that is what I do. I have a look at them. I see if they are improving or no. If there are no signs of improvement, I just ban them. I just ban them. I try to give them my piece of advice, but वो लोग थोड़ी ना सुनने वाले यार, सब पटेल समझते हैं अपने आप को. So yeah, let life teach them their lesson, and when life teaches, it teaches hard. Trust me on that. Let's move on to the next question. The next question just has 3 likes, but this question is often asked to me by many people. So I feel it is important to take this question. D Fairy Tales has asked me which software you use for editing videos. Is it free or not? I use HitFilm 4, which is absolutely a free software. I'll provide the link below in the description. So yeah, tuto, loot pado, download kar do. It's free, you can use it, and it's a very, very nice software. Trust me on it. It's a very nice software. I was using other softwares in the past, but when I started using HitFilm 4 and the kind of speed it gives, the rendering speed and the editing experience, it is different. I just loved it, and that is the reason I'm using that software. Let's move on to the next question. Next. So the next question has around 4 likes and it is by Ranbir Yadav. Hi Prasad, my question is, when you are going to buy a new vehicle? I just bought one. Pandri, because most of us want to see your taste in buying any car or bike or anything. By the way, don't sell Kadu. Sorry if it's not the correct spelling. Yeah, it does not matter. What matters are the feelings. I know you won't. I can't sell Kadu. I just can't sell Kadu. There are some things money can't buy, and I feel Kadu is one of them. Love you vlogs, brother, in you editing skills. Okay. Casey Neistat level, in fact, better than him sometimes. Oh, wow. I know you don't like to be compared with someone, just giving my views. Yeah, I don't like to be compared. Sorry for the long comment. I love you, respect you, always gonna follow you. Your proud subscriber, that's lovely. Well, as far as the comparison part goes, I like to be compared with this one guy which I had seen a year back, like mobile phone लेके अपने video बना रहा था and using his selfie stick. A review channel suddenly uploads a vlog. Like, what was that guy thinking? And later that guy won Next Up. He came on the radio, then in the newspaper, and now he has got some nice equipment and he vlogs with really high-tech devices. I like to be compared with that guy. If you know that guy, compare me with him. Yeah, and as far as me buying a new vehicle goes, like a car, I won't be doing that because Uber is serving me really well. Uber, Ola, जब तक है, मुझे नहीं लगता I'll buy a car. So yeah, if you don't need, you don't buy. Next question is by Tanoy Biswas. Who is the better entry level camera, Canon 700D और Nikon D5300? और पॉसिबल हो तो एंट्री लेवल कैमरा के ऊपर एक वीडियो बना दो प्लीज. आई वेट फॉर योर आंसर. मैं आप पर भरोसा करता हूँ. ओके, सो द एंट्री लेवल कैमरा अगर इन दोनों में आप कंपेयर करें तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं सबको वही सजेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, द Canon 700D, बिकॉज आई हैव यूज्ड द 700D. आई हैव इवन सीन द D5300. D5300 एक ही बार मैंने यूज किया है, बट द थिंग इज ultimately the selection is between Nikon or Canon, and I've used Nikon, whatever. This is one of my personal observations, that the focusing and the exposure adjustment is very much smooth on the Canon cameras. I don't know why or how Canon manages to do that, but yeah, so, and even the lenses and accessories are much cheaper compared to Nikon. So if you're planning to upgrade in future, if you're planning to buy a lens, you can go with Sigma lenses, or Canon lenses are much cheaper compared to Nikon lenses. So yeah, the Canon 700D it is, my friend. Let's move on to the next question. The next question has 11 likes by Tech Solution. Why not daily vlog? Ask UIC. Okay, I've already answered this question in my live session on Facebook. So if you have not seen that session, do go and watch that live session. It will be still there. Yeah, not like my previous live sessions. So daily vlogging is not good. Daily vlogging is unhealthy for you as a creative person, as a content creator. Daily vlogging just eats up a lot of time, and it does not allow you to enjoy the moments that you should be enjoying. Life is to be enjoyed, and while you're enjoying, you just need to capture a little bit of moments, and those moments you see in a form of a single vlog, that is my weekly Tuesday vlog. But if I start doing daily vlogs, I'm sure I'll lose a lot which life has to offer me, so I won't be doing it. Simple. मत करो डेली व्लॉगिंग, उस चक्कर में मत पड़ो भाई लोग, केसी बाबा ने भी बंद कर दिया है. Next question has 27 likes. It is by Nitin Kalra. He says someone disliked within 4 seconds. That means he just saw the logo which says Your Indian Consumer and disliked. How stupid he is. This is not a question actually, but I just included it. Just. Next question has 29 likes. It is by Samit Shirsat. The community deserves a question and answers video. Yeah, could you make a video per week in which we ask questions and you answer? That would mean a deeper connection with the community and extra video also, or at least bi-monthly or per monthly. I would love to see such videos. I will try to do a live Q&A video in the future when I upgrade my internet connection, but right now I've already started doing it. This Q&A video is a part of that thing. I feel like continuing this because I really like to answer all your questions. So guys, if you have questions, do list them below with the hashtag AskUIC. Yeah, that way it is easier for me. I'll directly search for Ask UIC. All the questions that I see, I'll take those questions. Simple. Let's move on to the next question. It has 39 likes and it is about money. Arjun Singh, he's asking me, what is your income per month? Indian Consumer wants to know. If you think we are a part of your family, do share with us. We'll hope for the reply. Not just Arjun Singh, there were many questions related to money. One more question which I can show you by Technical India. Ask UIC, how much do you earn? You always ignore, please tell rough figure. Not just these two questions, but many people always continuously keep on asking about how much money you earn, because I feel that is how we are programmed from childhood. कितना पैसा है, उस पैकेज कितना है वो जॉब में, फिर वो जॉब करेगा कि नहीं, उसके बारे में सोचेगा, वो स्ट्रीम में जाने का है कि नहीं, उसके बारे में फिर सोचने का, उसका पैकेज और उसका इनकम देख के. But yeah, today I'd like to answer this. So this month I earned 30,000. Last month 50,000. A month before that 20,000. Not rupees. People, subscribers, lovers. That is what I earned. अगर उनकी कीमत आप लगा सकते हो तो लगा लो यार. मैं तो नहीं लगा सकता, मैं उतना बड़ा नहीं हूँ. And as far as money is concerned, money. AdSense की जो earning है, we cannot disclose it as per the terms and conditions, as per the policy we cannot disclose it. But I can tell you this, engineering करके 10 साल का experience लेके मैं जितना कमा सकता था, उससे तो ज़्यादा ही कमा रहा हूँ. Yeah. I hope that answers the money part, but I would like to add something to this. The letters that I get from you, the beautiful comments that I get, the feeling that you people express when you meet me. You have to take a selfie. Some people are shivering when they meet me, and the way you touch my heart, वो यार पता नहीं, अगर तुम पैसों के बारे में सोचोगे तो नहीं कमा पाओगे. मैंने चैनल बनाने से पहले पैसे के बारे में नहीं सोचा था, इसीलिए वो चीज़ें कमा पा रहा हूँ. And every day when I go to bed and I think about all those people who met me that day, people who gave me positive comments, who used to describe everything that I'm doing in such beautiful words, जो चैन की नींद आती है ना, वो मैं explain नहीं कर सकता. So I've earned that. Now last 3 questions of the video. Now this question has around 76 likes. It is by Aviral Bhola. Ask UIC, what do you think of Technical Guruji and Sharma Ji Technical? I want answer in detail. What happened and what not? नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड एंड व्हाट नॉट, इसके बारे में काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिस्कशन ऑलरेडी हो चुका है मुझे लगता है. पीपल हु हैव बीन फॉलोइंग अस ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट द पास्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. इफ यू आस्किंग मी व्हाट हैपेंड एंड व्हाट नॉट, so I'll consider the last meeting that I had with Sharma ji technical Guruji and Gadget to Use. जब भी वो बॉम्बे आए थे, like they were continuously calling me and wanted to meet me and clear out all the differences that we had. So I did meet them because Gadget to Use guys is an old channel. Like बहुत सालों से उन्होंने मेहनत की है अभिषेक जी ने. So we did meet and the one common thing that we all shared was the feeling that we as creators are creating something for you people, for the Indian community, for the youth of this country, and I feel it was our responsibility that whatever we give to you guys should be good, should be productive, should be positive and should be something that will help you people. But sadly ड्रामा बहुत ज़्यादा चलता है YouTube पे और इसीलिए इस कमेंट को इतना ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्स है और लोगों को जानना है कि एग्जैक्टली क्या हुआ. पर अगर आपने हमारी हिस्ट्री फॉलो की है तो आप लोगों को पता है कि क्या हुआ. और सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी बात तो ये है कि जो भी पर्सनल हमारे डिफरेंसेस थे वो मायने नहीं रखते. डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन तो होना ही है क्योंकि हम सभी रिव्यूअर्स हैं. तो मतभेद था पर मनभेद रख के मतलब नहीं है क्योंकि वी आर कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स. वी आर वर्किंग ऑन वन प्लेटफॉर्म दैट इज यूट्यूब एंड वी आर वर्किंग फॉर अ सिंगल ऑडियंस दैट इज द इंडियन कम्युनिटी. सो मुझे लगता है कि हम जो आपको दे रहे हैं वो ज्यादा मैटर करता है और कलेक्टिवली हम लोगों ने यही सोचा कि आप तक अच्छे से अच्छी चीज कैसी पहुंचाई जाए और उस पर कैसे काम करें इसके बारे में सोचना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. पास्ट माई फ्रेंड्स इज वास्ट but the future is what we are concerned about and what we should work for. Next question. So the next question guys has around 100 likes and it is by Ron M. उसने पूछा है कि how did you and Mumbaikar Nikhil become friends? Ask you, I see. So to tell you about me and Mumbaikar Nikhil, I have to go about a year back, yeah. So about a year back, there was few comments जहाँ पे mention था कि your voice, that means my voice of your Indian consumer is सेम एज मुंबईकर निखिल. तो मैंने सोचा यार मेरी आवाज़ जैसी आवाज़ यूट्यूब पे है तो सुनना तो बनता है. तो आई वेंट ऑन मुंबईकर निखिल चैनल. हमारी आवाज़ हालांकि बहुत ही अलग है बट आई लव्ड हिज कंटेंट. उसने कुछ वीडियोस बनाए थे स्पेशली अबाउट गणपति विसर्जन एंड एवरीथिंग. आई पर्सनली लाइक्ड हिज वीडियो. आई फेल्ट देयर इज अ कनेक्ट बिटवीन मी एंड हिम. और वो जो गलियों में घूमता था वो विक्रोली की गलियां थी, पवई की गलियां थी, तो एरिया मेरे ही आजू बाजू का था. तो मैंने सोचा यार बंदे को कांटेक्ट करके देखते हैं. आई हैड मेड अ जैकेट वीडियो, द फॉक्स आर्मर, द बाइक आर्मर का वीडियो एक बना था मैंने. तो मैंने ऐसे ही पूछ लिया कि यार जैकेट का वीडियो एक बार अपने फेसबुक पेज पे शेयर कर देना बिकॉज ही हैड 4000 सब्सक्राइबर्स, आई हैड सम 2000 सब्सक्राइबर्स. तो एंड ही डिड शेयर माय वीडियो और तभी से हमारी थोड़ी बहुत बातचीत शुरू हो गई. उसके बाद जो निखिल काफी बिजी हो गया था, उसने काफी राइड्स भी किए. तो ही कीप्स ऑन ट्रैवलिंग एंड ही इज रियली वेरी बिजी एंड आई समहाउ ज्यादा ट्रैवलिंग होती नहीं है मेरी बट ट्रैवलिंग इज समथिंग आई लाइक. तो उसके वीडियोस देखने में मुझे मजा आता था. मैंने स्टार्ट किया उसके वीडियोस देखना, अच्छे लगे और फिर जाके एक दिन उसे लैमिंगटन रोड जाना था कुछ चीजें खरीदने. तो तभी वी कॉन्टैक्टेड ईच अदर और फर्स्ट टाइम तभी हम लोग मिले. तो हमारा लैमिंगटन रोड का जो वीडियो है वो आपको मिल जाएगा, निखिल के चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. मैंने भी ब्लॉग किया था. तो या दैट इज हाउ वी मेट एंड रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री. And now the final question which has 178 likes. Now this is not a question but I took it because it had the maximum number of likes. It is by the same guy, Samit Shirsat. Who else thinks Prasad should change the intro upon hitting 200,000 subscribers? I feel I should change the intro but actually I don't know how to do it, all those things. ये जो इंट्रो है ये भी मुझे किसी ने बना के दिया हुआ है. I personally feel मुझे इंट्रो की ज़रूरत है and now I give a shout out to all you creators out there. Make an intro for me. If you make an intro for me, I'll give you credits in my every video description. If I like your intro, I'll upgrade it after hitting 200,000 subscribers and in every video description there will be credits for your channel, your work, your whatever, your Facebook page, anything. So if you can create an intro for me, do create it and send it to me on this email ID which you see here. Yeah, send it to me on this email ID. The Google Drive link, आप लोगों को पता है सब. Okay, creators, like yeah, you know the basics. My only mandatory requirements are the color theme have to be same. जो मैं use कर रहा हूँ वही color theme चाहिए मुझे. And all the wordings or a sentence you call it that I use in the intro, like consumer's voice and not just for tech, all those things have to be there in the new intro as well. That's it. That is all I want. So if you feel you can impress me with your intros, definitely send me one. तो बस आज के लिए इतना ही. Do remember to serve before you swipe and if you don't need, you don't buy. मैं प्रसाद विद पाठक आपसे विदा लेना चाहूँगा और फिर मिलूंगा ऐसी किसी वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. Money, 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 money.